It's MC Kritical, and today we are reacting to DKRapArtist again, LondonSound, and yeah, it got uploaded 3 days ago. I tried to react to it, but then something was in the screen, the icon for what I was using on my laptop, so I couldn't really react to it. Cause I was gonna react to it the minute it came out, but I can't. So let's just get into it today, guys. And plus, guys, I can't have my face cam on again because the camera's turned round, so I can't really watch the video while I do it. So yeah, but today we're gonna react to this, and yeah, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's go.
Same old bars and the same old flows. I'm sick of the guns and chains, and I'm sick of hearing that you've already froze.
So far, guys, DKRapArtist, he knows how to rhyme, if you know what I mean, rhyme words, and he's sick at rapping. But like, I'd love to do a song with him, but as you know, I'm probably not the best rapper on like YouTube. So yeah.
We all grew up round drugs, smackheads, crackheads, hooked on coke, and my dad got hooked on spirits. And I ain't talking about the whole.
So I just noticed, R.I.P. Lawrence, I can't really say it.
What? R.I.P. Lon. That's something.
Yeah. So, yeah. I wonder who it is. Maybe someone who died.
Only ghosts, we know that, baby, don't help. Don't come at me, you'll bury yourself. In hip hop, gotta tell your story. You just sound like everyone else. Better be careful if you get pissed at me. Get brave, you wanna diss at me.
So they're basically saying there that if you get pissed at him, then you probably diss him. But I don't see why you should diss him. DKRapArtist. It's actually quite good.
Sticks and stones may break your bones of a boss. I'ma put you 6 feet deep. I went away for a while, but I'm back home with an 18 like Mr. T. Screw says that he's the best on the platform. I respectfully disagree.
So if you don't know who Screw is, I'll show you right now, guys. So very sorry, guys. Post content like reactions, post stuff like about Eminem and stuff like that. And yeah, so if you like stuff like that, go subscribe to him. But let's get back into the video.
In hip hop, you gotta think like that, otherwise you're gonna crumble. I don't think.
And plus, I think he's dissing Screw, but he don't really say that. But I think he's I think he's dissing him.
The best, but that's just me being humble. Look, before you say that I'm dissing Screw, because I said his name, this ain't no diss.
So it's not dissing the Screw. That's good, but I'd love to bring a diss track out on someone.
It's just my opinion.
It's just his opinion, it says.
Look, let me get in my bag, give me that beat and I'ma go mad. Man, I gotta rep that London town, I gotta bring that London sound. If anybody wanna war with me, I'm like cool, whatever, I'm down. Yo, this gets like 100 views, nobody cares, just look around. I'm a nightmare like Freddy, your light work and your bars ain't heavy. Fuck off, I ain't gotta kill your career, we got one cause you're dead already. You're not getting it, you're irrelevant, better get back to the drugs you're peddling, cause it looks like you've been taking some. Is it cocaine, crack, meth or heroin?
So that's pretty good, guys. I don't really know what to say for the last part. But he's pretty much saying that no one can diss him, but he'll come back harder or something like that, because he'll probably diss them. But if you like DKRapArtist, go subscribe to him. He's on 19.5k subscribers. He's a really good not subscriber, singer, rapper. But like, yeah, Comment down below your ideas for the next video. Peace out.